Hi, my name is Eric Ayuan. I'm the Director of Pickleball Athletics. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about the third shot drop, the most important shot in pickleball and the most difficult shot in pickleball. So what is the double bounce rule in pickleball? When I hit the ball has to land once on each side of the court before volley or anything starts happening. So if I serve, I'm going to serve it to my opponent. He has to wait until the ball bounces, and then once he hits it, I wait till it bounces, and then we can start playing. So the goal of the third shot drop is to make sure that the ball has a nice arc to it and lands in what we call the non-volley zone. So if you look at it here, we have about 7 feet from the net to the non-volley zone. We want to make sure that ball lands right in here. Okay, so the shot comes in a nice arc motion, neutralizes the opponent, slows the game down, and allows the serving team to move up as the game is played more in the kitchen. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate how to perform the third shot drop. The stroke is a nice low, high stroke, and you're making sure that your paddle is closed. I always call it halfway, close, open, and bring it down in this position. Okay, nice, low, gentle motion. If you're interested to learn more about pickleball, please contact us at www.pbaclub.com.